Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. Today I'm going to show you custard apple or Sitaphal kheer, which is very healthy and it is highly nutritious, especially for kids. So prepare this and serve this for your family. And now Sitaphal or this custard apple, we get it in abundance because now it's the season. So prepare this and serve your family. This is very nutritious. I'm going to show you how I extracted the pulp from the Sitaphal, because this custard apple or Sitaphal as we call it has lot of seeds in it. It's very cumbersome to eat and it's very cumbersome to prepare any dish. A very simple way, I've already shown you how to prepare milkshake. So in the same method, I placed a sieve on a mixing bowl and I scooped out the Sitaphal. It should be nice and ripe. Then you place it inside the sieve and using a back of a spoon just scrape it and the seeds will separate. The pulp will automatically drain out in the mixing bowl. So you can use the pulp. Here I have laid out all the ingredients for the kheer. The Sitaphal pulp, then milk which is boiled and it's warm already, and I have diluted and reserved 2 tablespoons of corn flour. You can also use rice flour. I am using just 2 spoons of sugar. The custard apple is already nice and sweet. Now I've heated a saucepan and added my warm milk to the saucepan. It should boil and I've added some sugar. So bring it to a rapid boil on medium flame. Just keep stirring it so that the sugar melts. That's about it. You can add sugar or leave it out. People who don't prefer sugar can leave that out completely, especially for dieting people. The fruit already contains a lot of sugar in it, so you need not add. So in the same measurement spoon which I measured my sugar, in that same measurement spoon I have measured and added 1.5 teaspoons of corn flour to 1/4 cup of water, diluted it, and I added the corn flour to the milk. Now I placed it on medium flame, kept stirring it till it formed a nice custard format. So now the milk is ready. I'll remove it from the flame and allow it to cool down completely. So while my milk is cooling down, you can chop some nuts and reserve. That's up to you if you want to use chopped nuts in this. I'll be using some almonds and pistachios which I've already chopped and reserved. Now once my milk has cooled down completely, I just kept stirring it for another 2 to 3 minutes, and then I've added the Sitaphal pulp to it. So I've used approximately 2.5 whole Sitaphal fruit for this recipe. Now I've added the Sitaphal pulp. Just keep checking and adding your Sitaphal pulp as you're mixing your milk. So now give this a good stir and your kheer is almost ready. You can serve it at this point, or you can add your chopped nuts and refrigerate it for at least half an hour before you serve it. If you serve any kheer chilled, it is extra tasty. So all the ingredients will be listed in the description box below this video, friends. After I've added my pistachios and almonds, serve my Sitaphal kheer chilled. We'll give this recipe a try, friends. The blog link will be in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog, and all my other social media handlings along with the detailed recipe along with all the ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, friends, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.